Hello everyone, my name is Wong Kerry. Today I'm going to present about AACS2034 Fundamental of Computer Network with my group member Chia, Sheng, For the introduction, Media Wave Broadcast has hired us to design the network and set up the local area network. There are three locations. The first location is location A, houses administration department, newsroom department, and production department. For location B is located 500 meters away from location A, which is marketing department, human resource department, and engineering department. Besides that, there are two international news department in location C, 200 meters away from location A. Each of the department and the facility is required to have its own subnet. All the news departments should be in one subnet, and also we need to consider the number of address needed for 25% growth in all areas. So now we move to the addressing design. We got three tables. So the first table is host growth table. So there are three location A, B, and C. There are also got 7 departments on different floor. So we also got number of hosts required, 25% growth, and total host growth. So how we can get the total host growth? We need to take the host required times 25%, and plus back host required, so we can get the total host growth. For example, administration department, 450 times 25%, and you can get 130. After that, 130 you plus 450, so you can get 463. For a subnetting table, there's also same, they got 7 departments. For this table, we got prefix, subnet mask, subnet address, first usable address, last usable address, and broadcast address. We increment 4 to each subnet address. And the last is addressing table. Inside the addressing table, we also got 3 locations, location A, B, and C. In this table, we are using device, interface, IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. So that's all from me. Now I will passing to Kelvin. Thank you.
Thank you, Kerry. I'm Chia, and right now I will explain about the network design. So, the assignment requires us to have 3 different locations, which is location A, location B, and location C. So for location A, there are 3 departments, which is administration department on second floor that require 563 hosts. Newsroom department at first floor that require 500 hosts, and production department on ground floor that require 375 hosts. For location B, also have 3 departments. Marketing department on second floor that require 25 hosts. Human resource department on first floor that require 188 hosts. And engineering department on ground floor that require 373 hosts. For location C, it only consists of 1 department, which is International News Department, that require 338 hosts. But these departments are divided into 2, so this is International News Department 1, and this is International News Department 2. So for our network design, we are using 1 switch and 3 end device for each department, although 1 switch is only capable of 32 hosts, but if we are using too many switch, it will be too complicated for the network design. There is also distance given between location A to location B and location A to location C. So the distance between location A to location B is 500 meters, and the distance between location A to location C is 200 meters. Based on that information, we are using fiber cable to connect the router to location B and location C. So right now, I will show the implementation of the network design using this simple PDU. So let's say I click this newsroom PC2 to HR PC1. Let us go to simulation and play it. So first, it will go to newsroom switch 1, and then it will go to the main router, and then it will go to HR switch 1, and then to HR PC 1. After that, it will go back to HR switch 1, back to main router, back to newsroom switch 1, and lastly to newsroom PC 2. So let me pause this. As you can see, the status is successful. So let us go to real time. So now I will show the ping connectivity between each PC of different department. So let's say I choose administration PC2 and go to desktop, go to command prompt. Let's say I want to ping to marketing PC1. So I type ping 10.0.15.254. As you can see, it shows request timeout and the packet sent 4, but it only received 3 and lost 1. So I will ping again, ping 10.0.15.254. And this time, it is received successfully and no lost packet. So let's try different PC. I will choose production PC2, go to desktop, go to command prompt, and I will ping to International News Department PC1. So ping 10.0.27.251. So for the first time, it also showed request timeout and 1 packet loss. So I will ping again. So this time it is received successfully and no lost packet. And so let's do it for one last time. I'll go to administration PC3 and I'll ping to engineering PC1 10.0.23.254. And I'll ping again. And this time it is received successfully and no packet loss. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you everyone.